Reading Music 2. Basic Concepts. Unit 1. Let's start by remembering some basic concepts that you have already studied. The first one is clef, a symbol to assign a particular pitch to one of the 5 lines and, so, it also indicates the names of notes on lines and spaces. The second one is the time signature. It consists of 2 numbers. The upper one indicates the number of beats in a bar, and the lower one, the note value that represents the beat unit. Then we have got the single bar line. It is a vertical line that helps divide the music compositions into bars, also called measures. Number 4 corresponds to ledger lines. These extra lines are used to place notes that are above or below the 5 lines of the stave. The last one is the end bar line. It is used to indicate the end of a movement or the whole composition. Now it is time to revise clefs. The 2 first ones, the G clef on the second line and the F clef on the 4th line, are the ones we have studied till now. But, as you can see, there are some more. It is important to know them. This year we are also going to work with C clef on the 3rd line. Now, let's have a look at the notes: semibreve, minim, crotchet, quaver, semiquaver, demi-semiquaver and hemidemi-semiquaver and their corresponding rests. The next thing to revise is time signatures. Each time signature can be classified according to the number of beats in a bar, in the following way. Duple, if the bar is divided into 2 beats, triple, if it is divided into 3 beats, and quadruple meter if there are 4 beats in each bar. But also, time signatures can be simple or compound depending on the number of notes that each beat can be subdivided into. So, if each beat can be subdivided into 2, we talk about simple time signatures, while beats that can be divided into 3 are called compound time signatures. Let's keep on working on this to better understand it. Summarizing, simple time signatures mean that each beat can be subdivided into 2, and also that they always have a 2, 3, or 4 as the top number. Compound time signatures mean that each beat can be subdivided into 3. It also means that they always have a 6, 9 or 12 as the top number in the time signature and, finally, compound bars usually have dotted notes. Pay attention to the 6/8 stave. As you can see, the dotted crotchet can be subdivided into 3 beats, while the dotted minim is subdivided into 2 groups, each of them containing 3 beats. As a 6/8 time signature has 6 quaver beats, and these split into 2 groups, then it is a duple meter. The hand performance to represent duple meter is the one in the video. An up and down movement.